Hey guys, welcome back. Gotta block out the haters. Anyways, so right now I just got to my grandma's house and I'm fixing to braid Princess's hair.
Felicia?
AKA
No, not Felicia.
Okay, first we're gonna here.
Good thing I did my eyebrows. But that lady messed up.
We're gonna check out our eyebrows. Make sure nothing's in there. Hey,
Something's in there.
how many braids are you doing?
What's that?
2.
Like down the middle?
Yeah.
Your granddaughter? Oh, she's missing?
If you want to watch how I did this braid, then please keep watching. So I'm just gonna brush out her hair to make sure that all the tangles are out. So when I'm doing the braid, I don't have to pull on her hair because, you know.
She just...
Okay, so what you want to do is you want to grab a section like a triangle, like that much, and then you want to get 2 of your fingers and even it out, sections like that, and then this one is going to go on top. Okay, so this one's going to go on top of the middle one, and then it's going to end up in the middle. But this one on this side is going to go over the one that is now in place of the middle one. Okay. Then we're going to grab some more hair and attach it to this strand. And it's going to go over the middle.
I left your socks there on top of the bed.
And then we're just going to keep doing that. Keep grabbing. So this one's going to go over the one in the middle. And then this one needs more hair, and it's gonna go over the middle one. And you just keep doing that back and forth.
There were some socks on top of the bed.
What was the swimming trunk?
The swimming trunks? I'm gonna take them home so you could go swimming.
So your braid should be starting to look like a braid. I'm gonna grab some more. Remember, it's going over this strand right here, my middle finger, over that one. Okay. And then we're gonna grab more hair for this one. And that one's going over the middle one.
Yeah.
Sometimes you gotta make them say ow. And that, my friends, is how you do a French braid.